The wings are screaming, and the ground is coming at you sideways. Imagine 500 tons of steel dancing on a razor's edge. Nature doesn't care about your flight plan. No room for error, just one gust from disaster. Listen to those engines roar against the wind. You've never seen pilots fight like this? Don't blink.
During final approach, a Singapore Airlines 350-900 slammed into winds here, and only full thrust kept the aircraft from the threshold of disaster. A Gulf Air 787-9 came agonizingly close to scraping an engine pod on the runway. Violent winds tossed the Dash 8Q for 00 like it weighed nothing. A Maersk Air Cargo 777F wrestled its way onto the runway through violent winds. A KLM 777-300R was violently rocked by roll oscillations, mid-crosswind landing a stark reminder of how fast conditions can overpower even the heaviest wide-bodies. A Boeing 737-800 on approach to Birmingham came dangerously close to losing control in powerful crosswinds. A Yale Express 737-800 slammed into the runway twice in violent winds. Bouncing back into the air each time, had the crew not intervened, a third strike could have told a very different story. TUI's 737 MAX-8 lost its footing in the crosswind on approach to Manchester, then slammed into the runway and bounced for a moment. The aircraft teetered on the edge of losing control entirely. Had the crew not intervened in time, this landing would have told a very different story. In the heart of Storm Angus, a Nippon Cargo 747-8F was thrown into a violent rocking approach before wrestling the freighter onto the runway, the storm giving no quarter, the crew giving no ground.
Crossing 16, when you move through, there's 121.5, there's 120. Yeah, this is number 8, number 3 due behind you guys, 564.
A Western Global 747-400 hit the runway 3 times before finally staying down. Heavy crosswinds shoved the Boeing 737 sideways on the runway during takeoff, but the crew wrestled it back on centerline and punched through the wind into the sky.
Listen to it. It's over the top of me now.
In the teeth of the storm, an American Airlines 777 fought its way into Heathrow.
Oh, stop it. Oh, stop that. Oh.
Delta's A330-300 lost its footing in the wind, then hammered the runway time and again, each bounce stretching the landing into something the crew had to fight for until the very last second. A Transavia 737-800 touched down at Amsterdam Schiphol with no flaps and far too much speed.
Don't miss out on moments like these. Subscribe now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Check out the videos on the side for more, or dive into the playlist to watch them all.